as sharp as yours. And stony smoke, and stony smoke, that Lord of custody. And now the rain sweep o'er his home, and no one there to hear. Yes, now the rain sweep o'er his home, and not a soul to hear. Who are you, Lord, said, that I must go so low? Only a cat with different coat, and so truth I know. In a coat of gold, or a coat of red, a lion still does knows. Mine are long and sharp, my Lord, as long and sharp as yours. And so he spoke, that Lord of